Hi everyone, I am Yunhang Shen. Our paper is knowledge-aware, fully verbally supervised object detection. Fully verbally supervised object detection only use web image to train detector. We first categorize image level noise as background noise and foreground noise. Our method is consists of three components. Noisy decomposition has two detection heads, weak detection head and residual detection head. A spatially-sensitive entropy criteria with loss from weak detection head and residual detection head. Bagging-mixup learning generates new data from images with the same foreground label, which reduces the probability of foreground noise.